Well, let's talk about something interesting today. Have you seen that light moving on that POP, running all over the POP? Now, most of you will be wondering what kind of lighting system is this? It's a running light. Now, let me take you through the process of how that light is being installed. And that's the profile on the floor. As you can see, I was using the machine to reduce its length. So the length here is determined by the kind of design you want to design on the ceiling, the POP. So after doing that, I had to use my machine to open it because the POP had already been installed. So I was just making my design, opening the POP, creating a passage or a road where place where I can install the profile. And the light will be installed on the profile. So after installing the light, you use the cover that comes with it, then close it. So when somebody comes in by mere looking at the POP, you would think it is just a POP unless they turn on the light. That's when people would notice. Nowadays, that was when I was installing the light. That's the light. So that's how the light looks like. Just a LED light. A LED light. So that's it. So after installing the profile on the POP, I had to install the light as well. So that's it. Don't mind my cameraman. Just turning the camera upside down. So I was still in the process of installing the light because it wasn't easy anyway. So if you like what you're saying, why don't you share this post so that people will see it and get to learn as well. And if you are here to follow this page, just give us a follow, like, share, and make sure you comment your thoughts on this video you're watching. So that's it. So it wasn't easy anyway, but we had to do it. And this light is a DC lighting system. It's not an AC. DC in the sense that it is a low voltage lighting system. It requires 24 volt anyway. So this one is a dining. This one is a steady one. This one is a dining. So now look at how beautiful this is. Imagine welcoming your guests with this look. All of them. All your guests will just be focusing on your POP. And you may eventually not even offer them drink. And they won't notice. Mind me, always offer drinks to your guests. Better say I prefer water to drinks. Water is life, no doubt. So just is the ante room after installing it. So that thing on my left hand is the remote that controls the light. You can either switch it off, apart from the normal switch that switches light off and on. You can control this lighting system with the help of that remote on my hand. You can control the way it moves, the pattern of which it moves, and how the light is. If you can make it to be steady, make it to be running, anyhow you want it to be. It can literally be controlled by that switch. So just give me a like if you love what you're saying. So that's it. So this one is steady now. So that's it. So you can change it as well, anyhow you want to. Oh my cameraman is just busy turning the phone, the camera upside down. So that's it. So, and this lighting system needs a configuration. You don't just install it like that and you expect it to on. And even if it ons, some part of it may eventually be off. So you can fix it with that remote on my hand. So you can configure it and you set it. That's why you can control how fast or how slow the light moves. So that's just it. You can configure it anyhow you want to. So this is it. And look at the movement has changed, unlike the previous one. So if you like this, please just give us a like, follow for more. Thank you. We love you.